Good morning, dear student. As you know, I am Mahesh Das Mahant. So today we will study chapter 14, your grammar book, sentences. Okay, chapter 14, sentences. To understand what is sentences, you should know what is the definition of a sentence. Okay, dear students, sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Okay, it means sentence is a group of words. Okay, it may be 3 words, 4 words, 2 words that makes complete sense. That is called sentences. You must know that all the sentences have group of words. Okay, before understand sentences, you should know about letters. How many letters in the English alphabet? 26. Okay, a group of letters make words that have a complete sense. Okay, and a group of words make a sentence that may make a complete sense. So, dear student, there are, we can see here, use of this, that, those, these, those. So these are sentences. Okay, and we can see here use of this and that. So dear student, we use this and that at a point to a particular person, place, animal, bird or things. Okay, we use this when we point to a person, place, animal, birds or things that is close to us. It means that is near to us. Okay, this is used for that. Any person, place, animal or things that is close to us. And we use that when we point a person, place, animal, bird or things that is far to us. Means away to us. That is far to us. Okay. It means if you see example here, this is a book. It means the book is close to us, near to us. Okay. Now you can see another example. That is a pencil. It means that pencil is far to us. Okay, it means some distance that means. And now we use this and that when the person, place or animals or birds are singular in number. That is also that use of that, and this is singular number that is used for only one person, animal or things. Okay, and now you can see use of these and those. We use these and those to point a particular persons, places, animals, birds or things that is in plural numbers. Okay, we use these when we point to persons, place, animals or birds or things that are close to us, and we use those when we point the person, places, animals or birds or things that are far to us. Okay, it means we use these and those when the persons, places, animals or things are in plural number. Okay, for example, we can see here, for example, these are books. It means that the books have many books, plural number. And also these books are near to us, close to us. And those are pencils. It means there have many pencils, plural number in pencils. Okay. And the pencils are away far to us. and those are used for plural numbers. Okay, the student, I have explained these, those, this and that. Okay, I hope you have understood this explanation. Okay, this and that, this is sentences. Okay, so dear student, we will see the next page next day. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.